Cultivating gratitude is simpler than you think, actually. Let's face it, adulting is like a Netflix show where every episode is titled, "Why is there hair in my takeout?" We're drowning in chaos, yet somehow gratitude feels as realistic as a unicorn eating a burrito. But here's the plot twist. You don't need a perfect life to be grateful. You just need to notice the burrito. Today, I'll show you how to hack gratitude with 3 fixes so easy, even your pet goldfish could master them. Spoiler alert, no journals, no candles, and absolutely no chanting. Gratitude isn't about pretending your life's a Pinterest board. It's about training your brain to spot the chaos confetti, like when your Wi-Fi works or your pants still fit after Thanksgiving. Think of it as a mental, "Where's Waldo?" But the prize is not wanting to scream into a pillow. Step 1. The Gratitude Spark. 2-minute brain reset. Find one tiny win and weaponize it. Did your coffee not taste like existential dread today? Did your cat finally grace you with a 3 a.m. cuddle instead of knocking over your plants? Write it down, scream it into the void, or whisper it to your emergency chocolate stash. Why? Because your brain is like a suspicious raccoon. It's always hunting for trash. By feeding it one shiny thing, you trick it into thinking, maybe life isn't a dumpster fire. Pro tip: do this while brushing your teeth. Multitasking for the win. Step 2. Micro thanks. Dopamine for relationships. Send a thanks that's shorter than a TikTok dance. Text your friend. Your meme saved me from crying in the cereal aisle. Tag your coworker. Your Zoom background made me snort laugh. Gratitude is like a serotonin boomerang. Toss it out, and it smacks you back with joy. Warning: do this too much, and people might start liking you. Tragic, I know. Step 3. The what's here reframe. Fear leading to focus. When life feels like a cursed Jenga tower, ask, what's one non-cursed thing here? Maybe it's that your chair isn't a cactus, or that your neighbor hasn't started learning the bagpipes. This isn't toxic positivity. It's survival mode for people who've run out of clean socks. Pro tip: use this while stress eating chips. Crunching plus gratitude equals multitasking mastery. Gratitude isn't about fixing your life. It's about finding the cheat codes. Text your mom a heart emoji. High-five your microwave for not exploding. Thank yourself for watching this instead of doom scrolling. And hey, if all else fails, be grateful you're not the guy who invented the snooze button. He has to live with that. If this video helped you spot even one tiny win, smash that like button. It's like a gratitude high five for the algorithm. Subscribe for more life hacks that don't require adulting on hard mode. Ring the bell so you never miss a video, unless you're busy thanking your toaster for not burning down the house. Thanks for watching. Seriously, you're already nailing the second step by being here. Now go forth and find your burrito moments, you chaotic legend. And if you relapse into doom scrolling, just whisper, "At least I'm not the bagpipe neighbor." You got this.